do you want to know how reliable, how good your supplier is? Now I've invented this 3S model that you can know how good and reliable your supplier is. The first S is search. Now type the company in Google and you can find out who their affiliated partners or where this company is registered in other directory listings. From there on, you're able to know who they work with and how they work. And you'll be surprised to see what is the results that you search on Google. Now it'll be even a bonus plus to you if you find out that they are an award-winning supplier or their accreditations with some other certifications. From there, you know how good they are. The second S that I want to tell you is the social media. Social media, you can see at the footer of the website, where you scroll down all the way at the bottom, you're able to see which social media channels they are active in. For example, if they're active in Instagram, click on it and you can find out when is their last post, what is the engagement rate, and how frequent they post. Don't be afraid to click on the one post and to see how their customers interacting with and what their customers' views on the business is. The last S that I want to share with you is their strengths. Every company has their own signature strengths and what they're good at. From the website, they will put in their signature product over there. And if you talk to them, you're able to find out what product they are most confident and they're strong in delivering this product to you. Now from there on, from these 3S, you're able to know how reliable and trustable this supplier is. And of course, you can see from their strengths, what is the best product they're delivering in. Alright, don't forget to share this useful information with our friends who need this. See you!